Good afternoon, everyone. First section is word usage. A word is given, the word is abandon. Now we need to check whether this word is used grammatically, contextually correct in the given below sentences. What is the meaning of abandon? Leave something or somebody in a helpless condition is called abandon. It's verb. It is a verb. We had to abandon 2v1. We had to abandon means we had to leave the car. Correct in terms of grammar and meaning. The police are trying to trace the mother of a newborn baby. It is baby, not bay. Newborn baby found abandoned outside a hospital. There is an abandoned baby. Abandoned baby means everybody left that baby and nobody is taking care of that baby. Abandoned baby. Correct? Baby found abandoned. Air attacks have forced the villagers to abandon their homes. Now Taliban are abandoning their native country. So abandon means leave because of helpless situation. So 2v1 first sentence. Second one after found abandoned, okay. 2v1 all correct. 1, 2, 3. Fourth option is the correct answer. Curtail. Curtail is verb. It is v1. Curtail means reduce. Reduce the extent. Reduce the extent, reduce the size, reduce some dimension is called curtail. You can simply remember like this: curtail, cut the tail. Cut the tail means reduce. I've asked him to curtail my trousers. Curtail the size of my trousers. I have asked him to curtail the size of my trousers. Curtail trousers, no. You can't use directly. So, first one is not correct. He had to curtail his speech. Curtail means cut short his speech, maybe. Because when the time ran out, he had to reduce the speech time, speech speed. Third one, when the days curtail. When we talk about time, time passes. Days pass. Days are curtailed if I want to use. When the days are curtailed in winter, some people suffer depression. So answer is only second option, grammatically, contextually. 2 is the right answer. Flamboyant. Flamboyant is nothing but a person's attitude or a behavior. Attitude or behavior which attracts others. Attitude, behavior, style which attracts others is called flamboyant. Only for attracting others, this person's attitude will be there, behavior will be there, dressing style will be there. He was fondly remembered for his flamboyant lifestyle. Maybe lifestyle, his attitude, his behavior, possibility is there. And by the way, what is the part of speech? Any word ending with ANT, ENT, what is that? Adjective. So adjective is flamboyant lifestyle. Adjective noun, okay. Second is clothes were rather flamboyant for such a serious occasion. Clothes, attitude related, yes. Lifestyle. I resent. Resent means be angry. I resent, or resent means angry or dislike. I resent paying an extra for my drink just because it is in a flamboyant bottle. Bottle attitude we are not talking about. We are talking about only person's attitude. Answer 1, 2. 1, 2 means first option. Now comprehension passage. Select the most appropriate option to complete the given sentence. Gandhi aimed at. What was the ambition of Gandhi? What is his aim? Where is it? Can you show me? First paragraph, which line? Are we all here? Can you tell me what is that? Comprehension, you need to show me the answers. Which line? First paragraph, okay. Let me read from the beginning. The task which Gandhiji undertook was not only the achievement of political freedom but also the establishment of social order. So, whatever the task he has taken, why did he take? For the achievement of political freedom and establishment of social order. He wanted to achieve two things, political freedom and social order. Based on what? Based on truth, non-violence, unity, peace, equality and universal brotherhood and maximum freedom for all. So based on all these principles, he wanted to attain two things. One is political freedom, social order. This unfinished part of his experiment was perhaps more difficult to achieve than the achievement of political freedom. Now let's look at the options. Achieving political freedom, yes. Is it in a violent way or non-violent way? Non-violent society, okay. Universal brotherhood is mentioned or not? Yes. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. Fifth option is the right answer. Egalitarianism. What is the general meaning of egalitarianism? Regardless of the context, regardless of the passage, what is the general meaning? No idea. Egalitarianism is nothing but equality, giving equal opportunities, equal resources is called egalitarianism. And the context, what is this word egalitarianism? Can you show me the line? Is this only? We have seen in our time attempts to achieve a kind of egalitarian society. Egalitarian or egalitarianism? So is this correct or is there any other below that? Eighth line. How do I count? Eighth line. Above guys or below the guys? Okay, below the guys. From here, below the guys. Egalitarian. Okay, this enforced egalitarianism consists in its bosom the seed of its own destruction. So what is he saying? Egalitarianism is not telling the definition anything here, but let's check wherever we have seen here. Kind of egalitarian society, a picture of it after it was achieved. And where else has it been given? To establish and maintain the outward egalitarian form. So let's read the options. Suppression. Suppression has got negative meaning. Suppress means discourage, not giving equal opportunities. It becomes the opposite of egalitarianism. Social political equality, yes, perhaps. Violence, negative meaning. Inequality, negative meaning. Elite means hi-fi, sophisticated. Top order, refined. Extremely positive. Means high class people are called elite or elitism. So answer is what? Egalitarianism means social political equality or elitism? Answer second one, social and political equality. Which of the following is false? Can you show me which is false? True, false. The instinct of possession causes conflicts. Is it given? Possession means ownership. If you want to have the ownership of something that causes conflicts, maybe the instinct of possession cannot be rooted out completely, maybe satisfaction of material needs cannot earn peace, conflicts between groups and classes are bound to rise, voluntary renunciation is the key. So can you show me at least any sentence which you have seen in the past? Second, on the screen everything appears to me. In establishing a social order of this pattern, there was lively possibility of conflict arising between the groups and classes of our own people. conflicts between groups and classes are bound to rise. This is true? Yes, no? Here he has mentioned, right? In establishing social order of this pattern, there was a lively possibility, means there was a possibility of conflict. Conflict means disagreement. Disagreement arising between groups and classes of our own people. So, conflicts between groups, classes are bound to rise. Likely to happen. Possibility is there. Check other sentences. Voluntary renunciation. Above guys. Okay, this one. In the ultimate analysis, it is difficult, if not impossible, it is difficult to say that the instinct to possess, the inner desire to possess has been rooted out, or that it will not reappear. So, if not possible, if not impossible, it is difficult. So, the instinct of possession cannot be rooted. Can be rooted? Cannot be. Impossible means cannot. But what is he saying? Difficult. Difficult means can be. Possibility is there. But it is difficult. Smooth road is not there. Rough road is there. So perhaps second one is a false statement. We require false. And check for first and third, fifth. Material comforts, renunciation. Here I have underlined, if egalitarianism is to be ensured, it has to be based on not on the possession of maximum material goods, but by a few or by all, but on voluntary enlightened renunciation. So voluntary renunciation is the key. Yes, this is true. Fifth one is true. Check 1 and 3. 1, 3. Satisfaction of material needs. Peace and progress. Where? Peace and progress, material. Have you done the passage? See here, peace and progress. This calls for substitution of spiritual values that is sometimes equated with progress these days. It neither spells peace nor progress. Where is that? Satisfaction cannot earn peace and progress. Yes, true. Neither nor negative. Third one true. Fifth one true. So show me where is first one. Man values his possessions even more than his life, because in the former he sees the means for perpetuation and survival of his descendants. Is that, where is the instinct to possession? Is it instinct? The instinct of possession causes conflicts. Where is it? Instinct to possess has been rooted out. Check in any other place conflict is given. Have you done the passage or not? Below guys, fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one? This one only? Water held by big fan, once a barrier breaks, the reaction one day will sweep back with a violence equal in extent and intensity. So the answer is second one. Second one is false. Guys, G-U-I-S-C, not G-U-I-S. Guise means appearance. Whereas a disguise, in fake appearance, in wrong appearance. So context, guys. The instinct to possess has been rooted out, or that it will not reappear in any even worse form, but it will be under a different guise. It may appear in a different form. So similar meaning, illusion means imaginary related, Illusion is nothing but a daydreaming, we can say. Disappear, negative meaning. Appearance, synonym. Reprove, reprove means reprimand, admonish, giving a warning. Mother always reproves the child for the wrongdoing. Trick we already know. So the answer is third option, appearance. According to the passage, people ultimately overturn the form of social order which, overturn the social order. How will he do that? How will people do? Where is that people? Overturn the form of social order. Instinct. It is based on coercion. Coercion means force. Coercion means force. Operation means discourage. So people will ultimately overturn the social order which is based on coercion or oppression. Order which does satisfy their basic needs is based on conciliation and reapproachment. Reproach, not reapproachment. It is not congenial. Congenial means friendly, convenient, comfort. It is congenial to the spiritual values of the people. It is brought about by foreign powers. Did he mention foreign powers? Check where is social order, how people overdone, where is that social order? Look at this particular context. So long as the ideal that is to be achieved, so whatever the ideal goal is there, if that is to be achieved, is one of securing the maximum material satisfaction, possessiveness can neither be suppressed nor eliminated. We cannot suppress the material satisfaction or eliminate it, but it will grow on what it feeds. It will regularly grow, nor will it cease to be such. Cease means stop. It is possessiveness, still whether it is confined to only a few, it is shared by many. So if egalitarianism is to be ensured, it has to be based on not on the possession of maximum material goods, but on voluntary renouncement. So enlightened renunciation. Renunciation means leaving all goods. Generally people renounce all the material life and goods and they go to Himalayas. They renounce life, material things, and they go to Himalayas. That is renunciation. So here the context is, how can we overturn the social order? It is by force? No. Satisfy the needs? No. It is based on conciliation, reapproachment maybe. Not comfortable to the spiritual values of the people? No. Let's check social order at the beginning. Where is that? Political struggle. Political struggle involved fight against a foreign power, and all one do was either join it or wish its success. In establishing social order of this pattern, there was lively possibility of conflict arising between groups and classes of our own people. Experience shows that man values his possessions even more than his life, because in the former he sees the means for perpetuation and survival of his descendants even after his body is reduced to ashes. A new order cannot be established without radically changing the mind and attitude of men towards property, and at some stage or the other the haves have to yield place to have-nots. Now when can we change the mindset? When can we change this social order? Means first we need to change the mindset and attitude of men towards property. Means what kind of attitude do you have towards haves, and what kind of attitude do you have towards have-nots? So that is what he's saying. So answer: based on force, oppression, satisfy their basic needs. Based on conciliation. Conciliation or reconciliation is nothing but settling, settle some issue, solve some issue, reapproach it, maybe. Not congenial, not convenient. Fourth one, no. Brought about by foreign powers, no. Answer is third option. Following is false. Let me read the options. A social order based on truth and violence can help the achievement of maximum freedom. Yes, no. Based on truth, non-violence, it can help the maximum freedom. In establishing the social order of Gandhiji's pattern, The possibility of conflict between different classes hardly exists. Just now we have seen conflicts. Conflict arising between groups hardly exists or exists. This is an all true false questions. Sometimes they are direct questions and some other times they are indirect, means inference based. So what is he saying? According to Gandhiji's social order, conflict arises between groups of our own class. But what is he saying here? Possibility of conflict between different classes or own classes. Just now we have seen own classes or different classes. Let's look at third one. It is difficult to change the mind of people towards the property. It is, maybe. It is true. In an egalitarian society, material satisfaction can be enjoyed at the expense of others. Root cause of class conflict is possessiveness. Answer is second option. That is false. Root out. Root out means taking out the roots and eliminate. That is called root out. Where is that root out in the context? Can you show me root out? Where? Above guys, below guys? Above. Which line? Below or above? Above which line? Here? Immediately? Starting. Okay, got it. Thank you. If not impossible to say that the instinct to possess, that instinct means here kind of desire, the desire to possess has been rooted out or that will not reappear. Has been rooted out. Rooted out means destroy something. Instill. Instill means inject something. Inject something is called instill. Destroy means we know damage. Find and remove something to someone. Flatten. Flatten means smoothen. So 2, 4 not related. Answer 1 or 3. Destroy something. Find and remove something. Root out. First take out the roots, then remove it. Answer is find and remove. First find out the problem, then if it is a problem, then remove it. Appropriate title. Material values versus spiritual values. Is it talking about a difference between these two? Class conflicts. What kind of conflicts are happening in this society? Is it talking about that? Gandhiji's vision of social order? Yes. The renunciation of possessive instinct, it is a conclusion, not complete passage. Political social freedom may not be. Answer is third option, Gandhiji vision. Now, rearrangement. Look at the startings first. Starting small letter, capital letter, small letter, small letter, small letter. Capital letter is only B. And look at the endings. Overruns is. Now after is, what do I require? I require V3 or V4, or I also need, I can also keep NAP. So Russia's defense manufacturing base is leading, okay, BA okay, and is and no, is facing yes. So BA or BD, let me search that pair, those two pairs in the options. BA, BD, no. BA, BD, no. BA, BD, no. BD is there. So only option for us is BD. Let me confirm. Let us get the confirmation. Fourth one. Russia's defense manufacturing is facing shortfalls in capabilities and capacities. Because of shortfalls, it is leading to what? To contract deadline overruns and increased costs, as seen repeatedly in the case of Gorshkov. Fourth option. Urged, small letter, capital letter C, small letter, small letter. So first sentence is what? But see, if you look at A, urged means requested. Who requested here? Political solution requested. Political head 2 requested. Then can I bear CA? Because political head of LTTE B Nadesan urged the international community. CA can be paired. Let me check CA. CA okay? Nope. CA yes? Yes. Answer 1, 3, 5. So he urged the international committee for what? Why did he urge? For what reason? Community, a political solution as a priority rather to know, rather than can I combine? B can be paired. Where is B? B yes? Nope. Nope. Answer is 1. CA DBE. Starting capital letters, small letter, small letter, small letter, small letter. A can be the first. We can't blindly go, but let's look at the endings. They put something, we don't know what, off. After off, what do I require? ING or noun. Of the evidence, on the basis of the evidence, okay. On the basis of terrorists hijacked, not sure. On the basis of approximately 150 eyewitness accounts, maybe. So after B, I can keep C or E. BC, BE. BA, nope. BC, okay. BD, not sure. BC, okay. Answer 2 or 5. Obviously, we have decided based on small letter, capital letter, first sentence is A. Then let's go by the answer A, B, C, D, E. No correction required as it is correct. Small letter, capital letter, small, small, small. So first sentence is B. Only answer is, only option starting with B is second option. But let's confirm. Let's go by the grammar. Look at C. Young men and women are rarely. R is given. After R, what is required? V3, V4 or nap. Are rarely forced? Yes. Are rarely today's arranged? Rarely will, R will no. Are rarely against their wishes? Maybe. So CA or CD? CA, okay. No. Nope. Nope. Let me go ahead with the second one. For the confirmation I'm reading. Today's arranged marriage places individual will at heart of the process. Today's arranged marriage, what is he doing? Individual will means whether you like the person or not. In the process they are bringing will, whether you like it or not. Then what? Young men and women are rarely forced to marry someone against their wishes. Is it true? Is it true? How many of you are married? One person last. Have you got this understanding? Young men and women are rarely forced. They are not regularly forced. They are rarely forced to marry someone against their wishes. So only men should be used rather than women. Is it true, women? You're not getting the context. Understand the context. Later on you'll understand. Anyways, our answer is second one. BD, CAE. Starting small letter, capital letter B, small letter, small letter, small letter. Obviously B is the first one. Let me check any other, is there any other hint in terms of grammar? Economic equality is a fantasy. It is a fantasy, but without an equitable economy, or it is a fantasy that works towards the, see, the is given after definite article. What is needed? Noun is needed. The but not possible. The economic equality possible, but economy is already first sentence. The elimination of poverty, yes, no. The cannot, not possible. EC can be combined. EAP, no. EA, no. EC, yes. EC, yes. Answer 3 or 4. First one is obviously BA. BA is common. So let me read BA. Economic equality is a fantasy but without an equitable economy. After this, do I need E or D? without an equitable economy, let me check E, that works towards the elimination of poverty, or D, but without an equitable economy cannot be sustainable state. An equitable economy cannot be a sustainable state, or an equitable economy that works. Economy works or economy sustainable state. Let's check the last combination. Here if you observe ECD, can I keep CD? Elimination of poverty there, that works towards the elimination of poverty there cannot be a sustainable state. There cannot be a sustainable state, yes, no? Yes, no. So it's in fact ending with full stop, easy hint. So the answer is last one, D, cannot be eliminated. Third option. A New York Times editorial questioned the wisdom of the Wright brothers. Who are Wright brothers? Aeroplane. Who were trying to dash a machine heavier than the air that would fly. A mission. Discover a machine. Discover generally places. Discover something which is already there. Find a machine. You can find something when you lose something. I have lost my phone and I have found it back. Invent, when you are creating something new, that to an object, it is invent. Initiate a process. Conceive, conception related, conceive means it happens in the mind and imagination, conceiving. So answer 3 or 5. Discover generally happens with the place. 3 or 5. Third one. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and dash. Helps him balance and dash. Make him okay, but make him too wrong. Make is a causative verb. After make, somebody or something plus V1. Directly V1. 2 is not needed. And enables him to kick. Okay. Permit. 2 is needed but helps. Here the verb is V1 yes. Helps. Here also in the blank I require V1 yes. No. Prepares him to kick. Provided past. No. Answer 2 or 4. Enables. Generally enable words take. Enable word takes 2. Able, enable 2 can be taken. Second option is the answer. In a series of comments, the Russian president appeared to dash. After 2, what is needed? Appeared to criticism Poland. Censure. Censure means giving warning or admonish. Blame Poland. Okay. ING, not correct. Acquit. Acquit means free from blame, free from punishment, free from penalty is called acquit. But in a series of comments, is talking about comments, Russian president appeared to dash Poland for the outbreak of Second World War. So, he was warning or he was trying to blame? Answer. Blame, third one. And chiding, censuring, same meaning. 2, 4, same meaning. Close test. The coconut is an unusual food for many reasons. It is technically a seed produced by the coconut palm tree and as such is one of the largest dash seeds produced by any plant. One of the largest dash seeds. Edible means eatable seeds. Nutritious seeds. Are we talking about health, nutrition? Digestible? Maybe. And unsuitable is negative. Are we talking in a negative angle? It is an unusual food for many reasons. It is technically seed produced by coconut palm tree and is such one of the largest. Largest is positive. For largest we don't use unsuitable. So answer 1 or 3. Edible. Edible means eatable, which you can eat. We don't eat all seeds. This is edible seed. Edible seed means which you can eat. produced by any plant. Its unusual contents also make it unique in the seed world. The interior consists of both meat and water. It consists of meat and water. The meat is the white pith with which we are all familiar, as it is used extensively for cooking and flavorings. The coconut weight is white liquid that is very sweet and thirst. You know about thirst. In summer you generally feel more, you feel thirstier. Thirst, demolishing. Demolish means a damage. It will never reappear once you damage. Buildings can be damaged, things can be damaged, things can be demolished, buildings can be demolished, not the thirst. Extinguish, generally it is used for fire. Put out fire. Thirst quenching, yes, generally we use quench somebody's thirst. Quench means satisfying the thirst. Assisting, quench, thirst assisting. And what is the last one? Releasing. Thirst releasing, thirst quenching. Thirst quenching. Thirst quenching. Portuguese explorer gave the nut its name in the 15th century, referring to its cocoa, meaning ghost in their language. Cocoa means ghost, according to Portuguese. Because of the eyes, coconut has a eyes like ghost. The three dimples and the hairy texture reminded them of ghost face. Three dimples and hairy texture. And the tree has dashed that name ever since. After has V3 is needed, tree has dashed that name ever since. It has sustained. Sustained means okay, maintained, continued. Means sustained is more related to survived. Survived its name. Reserved. Can a tree reserve its own name? People can reserve their names in the hotels for seats. Retain, continue, maintain. Possibility is there. Now, can I take ing after has? Refused. Can a tree refuse? Can a tree refuse and accept? No, you can't. Answer 1 or 3. It has sustained its name or retained its name. Retained, continue and maintain. The coconut has many varied uses. It is used to make margarine as well as various cooking oils, and those cooking oils are used by fast food centers around the world to make such diet staples as French fries. The coconut fluid is a favorite drink in hot climates, providing a cool and refreshing dash right off the tree. Cool, refreshing dash. Portable. See, already what is he saying? Cool, refreshing. A article. After an article, we require a noun. Cool, refreshing, both are adjectives in the blank. I require a noun. But if you observe, portable, able means adjective. It is not possible. Portable means drinkable. Is Hussain Sagar drink portable? No. Sanitizer, is it portable? Grammatically not possible. Beverage, not alcohol. Beverage means other than water is called beverage. Except water, whatever you drink, that is beverage. Liquor contains alcohol. It is a cool, refreshing liquor. Food, no. Answer beverage. This water is also used by manufacturers of various sports drinks because of its isotonic electrolyte properties. Even the shell itself has many uses, including cattle food and fertilizer. Yet the coconut is also useful in many ways that have nothing to do with the food. Coconut oil is used for cosmetics. Medicines can even be used in place of diesel fuel. Dried coconut shells are used in many countries as a tool, such as a buffer for shining wood floors. The shells are also used for shed buttons and commonly found on Hawaiian clothing. They are even used for musical instruments and bird houses. And all these are only some of the uses found for coconut fruit. The coconut palm tree, which produces the nut, also produces dash useful items. Countless useful items. Okay. Oodles. Oodles means a quantity, more quantity. Quantity, number, more quantity, more number, oodles. It's not noodles. Produces quantity items, oodles useful, no, gravity. Limited items, heap. Heap means a kind of bunch. Heap, pile, same meaning, almost. Heap of grass, pile of papers, pile of grass. Answer. It is no wonder that the coconut palm has been called the tree of life. Answer. Countless. See, one tree is useful in many ways. And what about human beings? How are we useful to the mankind? Are we useful? In what way? Some students are not even answering. I don't know what happens. The famous data journalist thinks the media is making the same mistakes this year as they did in 2016. Answer. Error location you need to answer. Second option, why? Things is given, journalists singular. He thinks the media is. Thinks that is needed. Any other guesses? Any other guesses? Who is they did? They means who? Medium, media. Media means singular. Media plural. Datum, data. Phenomenon, phenomena. Criterion, criteria. Media are making. Not easy. Media is considered plural. The hint is given here. They means media only there. So media are. Even you can keep that, even if that is not there also, no problem. Jeff Bezos have pledged more money to battling climate change than anyone ever has before. Jeff Bezos is the name of a singular person. Who is he? Is the name of a singular person. He has pledged. Giant figs have been finding in French lakes baboons from Kenya and human mouth. It's kind of virus. Giant figs is nothing but virus. They have been found. It requires passive voice. They have been found in French lakes. Baboons from Kenya and human mouth. They have been finding means they have been finding something. Viruses have been finding human beings to attack. But here they have been found in French lakes. For grieving. Grieving means feeling sad, expressing sadness. Mourn or lament, synonyms. For grieving families, the photos preserving the only memories they have. They have subject verb is already there. For grieving families, the photos they preserve is needed. ing is not needed there. If I have to keep ing, I require are. For grieving families, photos preserve the only memories. Preserve means protect, save. The spacecraft that captured the famous fuzzy photo grows weaker each year, but the image still soothes. Fuzzy means not clear. Answer. Can you guess the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Image still soothes. Sooth is V1. Image is singular noun. So, soothes is needed. V1 yes or yes. It grows weaker each year, but the image still soothes. Grieving patients are encouraged to see and holding their stillborn infants, and in some cases even bring them home. Holded. There is no word called holded. Only hold. To see and. So before whatever is there beforehand, the same similar related item is needed after and. To see and hold. V1, combining both the V1s. That's all for now. Thank you for